Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad on a low budget. First, planning is key to saving money. Always select fruits that are in season, as they are typically much cheaper and taste better. Keep an eye out for weekly sales flyers from your local supermarkets. Don't forget that frozen fruits can be a great, cost-effective alternative, especially for fruits not currently in season, offering good value and convenience. To maximize your savings, always buy whole fruits instead of pre-cut packages. You'll get more for your money. When shopping, pay close attention to the unit price, which shows the cost per pound or ounce, helping you compare different brands or sizes effectively. Exploring local farmers' markets can also yield excellent deals on fresh produce, often directly from growers, reducing costs. For a delicious yet economical fruit salad, keep your dressing simple. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a small amount of honey or maple syrup adds flavor without extra cost. To stretch your budget, include more affordable fruits such as apples, bananas, or oranges as your base. Preparing a larger quantity means you'll have healthy snacks ready for a few days, saving time and money. Proper storage is crucial to make your fruit salad last. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and it should stay fresh for up to 3 days. A little trick to prevent fruits like apples and bananas from browning is to add a splash of lemon or lime juice. This simple step keeps your salad looking vibrant and appealing. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.